welcome to Tech Tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT for free. First off, we are going to search ChatGPT on Google and click on the first link that shows up. Now once the OpenAI website opens up, just click on Try ChatGPT and it will take you to a screen where you'll have to log in on ChatGPT. Now once you have logged in on your ChatGPT, it will show you this screen where you can search up and type whatever you want to. For example, I'll ask ChatGPT how to make a YouTube video. And it will give me its own answer. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share it amongst your friends.